So in our previously written web page index.1, you can see like we have written various elements. In these elements, this is a paragraph element. So this is taking the whole page, the width of the whole page. But there you have seen that we have written the superscript, and this is the span, and this is the subscript, but these are not taking the whole width of the page. These are only taking the space that they need. So our HTML elements basically have two types of display value. One is known as block. So this one is the block value, which will take the whole width of the available space, I mean the web page, and other one is the inline elements, which will take only the width which they need. This won't take the whole width of the web page. So in the block elements, we have the p tag and the division tag. So if we write here in the index 2, let's write a p tag or a division tag first, a division tag. So we can add some fake fillers there. Okay. And now let's go to our web page. Okay, so this is the division tag. You see these are taking the whole width that is available for him. If you scroll down our page, see this breaks, but this is still taking the whole page available to the web page, the whole width. Now let's add another element which is called a span element. Okay, now let's add a simple lorem 10. Let's add a small paragraph type text. So this is the span tag. You see, this span tag is not taking the whole width available to it. It has a set by the side of the link tag, because link tag is also an inline element. So the inline elements, the main difference between the block element and the inline element is like the block element takes the whole width available on the web page, and the inline elements only takes the width that it needs, and it can sit at the side of the other inline elements as well. So these are the difference between the block and the inline elements in HTML. Now let's learn about one more very important feature of HTML, which is the meta tag. So meta tag is basically defines the metadata of the whole HTML document. So metadata is actually the data or the information of the whole web page or the website. So meta tags always go inside this head tag, and it specifies various information about the websites, like a character set, page description, keywords, author of the website, name of the website, and viewport setting, etc. So metadata will not be displayed on the main web page. It is only machine perceivable, and it is also used for various like search engine optimization and web services purpose as well. So there is a method to let web designers to take control over the viewport, and it is done through the meta tag. So now let's add some meta tag for our website. Now let's add the meta tag of character set. So for that, we are going to add the tag named meta. Okay, so it is a single tag. It does not contain any closing tag, just like the source tag that we have written in our video file, video and audio. You can see we have written the source field, which doesn't contain any, which doesn't need any closing tag actually. And the other one is the HR and the BR. These are all the like single tags which does not need any closing tag. So now let's start writing the meta tag again. So for the meta tag, let's add the attribute called character set or char set. So we are going to write them in UTF-8 format. So I have added the character set. Now let's add some description about our website. So this meta tag's name will be description, and which content will be HTML tutorial. Okay, so how can you search them? We can get the data of this website by searching these keywords in the Google or any other search engine. So the name will be keywords, and the content will be we can add them by, like, for now just add like HTML. We can add like HTML, CSS or JavaScript as well. Okay, so we can also add the author of this website. Name will be author, and content will be tech with T. Okay, so that's pretty much all we need for the meta tag right now. So these are not this will not be shown on our main web page, but this will be available for the machines or the browsers to read. So these are all the meta tags, and these are all the information about the meta tags that we need right now.